One plant that we put in our gardens every year here at Oklahoma Gardening is Mexican bush sage. You can see our plants here are alive with lots of honeybees and other little bees this time of the year. Now, to ensure that we have a great display in the fall when they bloom, we plant these out in the springtime. We enjoy the foliage all through the spring and summer, and then in the fall we're rewarded with these beautiful flowers. Now, Mexican bush sage is only marginally winter hardy in Oklahoma. In the southern part of the state, you're more likely to get it to overwinter, and it comes in two forms. Some of the flowers are this sort of bicolored form with the purple fuzzy calyces and then the white corolla, and then right down here we've got the purple calyces with sort of a pinkish corolla. But I actually think more people prefer the white corolla bicolored form to the pink color. Just gives you a little bit more contrast and shows up a little bit more in the garden.
We hope you've enjoyed this classic from the Oklahoma Gardening Vault. Remember, even though these tips and techniques are timeless, there's always something new to learn in the world of gardening. By subscribing to both Oklahoma Gardening and OK Gardening Classics, you'll have access to a wealth of gardening knowledge, both classic and contemporary.